Hey, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here, because today, we're rediving into a topic that has the power to completely shift the way you think about food. It's fuel in your body. It's something that often gets overcomplicated or distorted by diet culture, fitness trends, and online noise. But today, we're stripping it back to the basics. These aren't optional or trendy additions to your diet. They're essential components that power your body and keep you alive, functioning, and thriving. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred energy source, especially for your brain and muscles. Proteins are the builders and repairers of your body's tissue, muscles, organs, and even your enzymes. They also play critical roles in your immune system and hormone regulation. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is used to fuel everything from your brain function to your workouts to your immune system. There are two main types of carbs: simple and complex. Whole, minimally processed carbs provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and long-lasting energy. It's the primary building block of your muscles, skin, organs, and enzymes. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. These are found in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those who are regularly exercising, especially strength training or endurance sports, protein needs often rise to between 1.4 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms and train consistently, you might benefit from 100 to 140 grams of protein daily. Incomplete proteins come from plant sources like beans, lentils, nuts, and grains. For decades, fat was blamed for weight gain, heart disease, and a host of other health problems. Fats are also needed to produce and regulate hormones, particularly those involved in metabolism, stress response, and reproductive health. Monounsaturated fats are found in foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts, and are associated with improved heart health and insulin sensitivity. Trans fats, which are found in many processed and packaged foods, have been shown to increase bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and significantly raise the risk of heart disease. Saturated fats, found in high-fat animal products, and some tropical oils, can be consumed in moderation. But excessive intake has been linked to cardiovascular issues in some populations. These fats can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. On the other hand, trans fats and highly processed oils often found in fried and packaged foods can be harmful and should be minimized. A balanced plate includes a source of protein, a healthy fat, and a complex carbohydrate. For example, grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables drizzled with olive oil, or a tofu stir-fry with brown rice and avocado. It doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's about creating meals that support your energy, satisfy your hunger, and nourish your body. And share this with someone who could use a clearer path to better health. Every bite you take, every snack you swap, every glass of water you drink, these aren't just small steps. They're investments in your energy, your health, and your future. Building a better relationship with food doesn't require perfection. It requires patience, awareness, and self-compassion. Remember, sustainable change is built through consistent effort, not dramatic overhauls. So give yourself grace. Celebrate small wins, and know that every time you choose to nourish your body, you're moving in the right direction. This is a journey and you're already on your way. And let me know in the comments, which macro do you struggle with most? And which one do you think you've been underestimating? Polyunsaturated fats include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential fats your body can't produce on its own. But having a general sense of how much of each macronutrient you're consuming can help you make more informed choices. Think of it as creating awareness, not rules. Choosing high-quality fat sources in appropriate amounts can enhance your overall health, improve satisfaction with meals, and help you maintain balanced energy levels throughout the day. Your nutritional needs can shift based on your stress levels, sleep, activity, hormones, and so much more. Because now you understand that all 3 macronutrients serve a purpose. Your body needs them. Your energy depends on them. And when you learn to work with them instead of against them, everything gets easier. The goal isn't to micromanage your food, it's to build a flexible, sustainable way of eating that supports your health and fits your life. Omega-3 South in particular, found in fatty fish like salmon and chia seeds, had powerful anti-inflammatory properties and support cardiovascular and brain health. Additionally, fats are required to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins play roles in everything from vision and skin health to immune defense and bone integrity. Largely due to the rise of low-fat diet trends in the 1980s and 90s. But we now know better. The truth is, fat is absolutely essential to our health, not only as a source of energy, but also as a structural and regulatory component of our body. Older adults also benefit from increased protein intake to combat age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. If you're plant-based, you can still get all the amino acids you need by combining different protein sources throughout the day. Protein helps repair tissue, supports immune function, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied after meals. That depends on a variety of personal factors, including your age, gender, weight, overall health, activity level, and fitness goals. For the average adult, a commonly cited baseline is around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. However, this recommendation is intended to meet the minimum requirement to prevent deficiency, not necessarily to support optimal health, muscle maintenance, or performance. Everyone needs protein to maintain a strong, healthy body. It's essential to repair cells, build lean tissue, regulate hormones, and keep your immune system resilient. Incorporating quality protein sources into every meal can help stabilize blood sugar, increase satiety, and support your body in everything it does, from daily chores to major physical challenges. Think of foods like quinoa, oats, sweet potatoes, apples, and broccoli. These are carbs your body understands and uses well. Being mindful of your portions helps you stay in tune with your body's hunger and fullness cues. You do not need to eliminate carbs from your diet to be healthy. You simply need to be intentional about the types you're eating and how they support your energy, performance, and overall well-being. Simple carbs are found in things like sugar, soda, and white bread. They digest quickly and can cause energy spikes and crashes. Complex carbs, like oats, brown rice, beans, fruits, and vegetables, digest more slowly and provide steady, sustained energy. Fats, which are often misunderstood or avoided, are vital for brain health, hormone production, cellular structure. Fiber is key for maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also contributes to blood sugar regulation by slowing the absorption of glucose, which helps prevent dramatic spikes and crashes in energy. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes increase satiety, meaning they help keep you feeling full longer and reduce unnecessary snacking, which can be incredibly helpful for weight management and appetite control. And the absorption of key vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This is macros made simple. Understanding carbs, protein, and fats. Now, the term macros gets thrown around a lot. You hear it in gym circles, weight loss forums, nutrition blogs, even TikTok meal prep videos and fitness influencer vlogs. But what exactly are macros? The term macros is short for macronutrients, the three major types of nutrients your body requires in large amounts every single day: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Macros provide your body with calories, yes, but more importantly, they serve distinct physiological purposes. Understanding macros means seeing food as more than just calories. It's about fueling your body's unique systems. The quality and balance of your macronutrients affect everything from your daily energy levels to your mental clarity, your recovery after a workout, your hormonal balance, and even your quality of sleep. When you begin to eat with macro awareness, you move from simply eating to survive, to eating to perform, heal, and thrive. There are three primary macronutrients: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Each one has a specific role in the body, and none of them are bad or off limits, despite what certain diets might tell you. The truth is, your body needs all three in the right balance to perform at its best. Let's start with carbohydrates. Carbs have been unfairly villainized for years, but they are your body's preferred source of energy. Carbohydrates also play a critical role in providing dietary fiber, an essential nutrient that supports numerous bodily functions. So instead of fearing carbs, it's more beneficial to shift your focus to the quality of the carbohydrates you consume. Next up is protein. Protein is often associated with bodybuilders, but it's essential for everyone. There are two main types of protein sources: complete and incomplete. How much protein do you need? If you lead a moderately active lifestyle, A better range might be 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram. Like in special cases such as during recovery from injury or surgery, pregnancy, or as part of a muscle-building program, protein requirements can go even higher. The key takeaway: protein isn't just for athletes or people trying to bulk up. And then there's fat. Among all the macronutrients, fat may be the most misunderstood. Fats are crucial for supporting optimal brain function. Your brain is composed of nearly 60% fat. Without adequate dietary fats, cognitive performance, memory, and mood can suffer. It's important to understand that not all fats are created equal.
Fats.
Healthy fats include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. On the flip side, there are fats that should be limited or avoided. In essence, fat is not something to fear, it's something to understand and use wisely. Healthy fats include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. So how do you actually use all this information in real life? Start by building your meals with balance in mind. Portion control also plays a role. You don't have to track every gram unless you're reworking toward a specific fitness or health goal. And finally, remember that balance doesn't mean perfection. Some days you'll eat more carbs. Some days you'll eat less fat. It's okay. So the next time someone tells you carbs are bad, or fat makes you fat, or protein is only for bodybuilders, you'll know better. Thanks for watching and learning with me today. If this helped you understand your food a little better, make sure to like, subscribe. You've got this. One meal at a time. One intentional choice at a time.